Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fitzner, how you doing? Guys, so in this video, this is the second video which goes on the website called right-to-repair, yes, right-to-repair.uk, and the project is driven by Inte.Team. So guys, what I want to say is thank you for sticking on the website, and if you haven't been, please go to the website. I was trying to explain everything in detail. Now, in this video, we will try to cover 3 topics, and I'll try to be quick, let's say about 10 minutes, roughly-ish, we will see. So we got, first is a summary, second is a what's next, and third one is how you can help, okay? So those 3 things. Now, as you probably have read, as you probably have made your own knowledge about it before even being on the website, as you probably tried to fix your own stuff and you couldn't, maybe, who knows, if you had bad experiences in general with repairs, this is huge. This is really huge, and I was trying to put the most, not everything, but the most scarcity for myself in person was something which actually I didn't put on the website, but I don't know if that would be something which wouldn't make too much conversations in some bad ways. But I found one person told me, because I was always just like, I was fixing stuff, but I was always loving new stuff, yes. And guy told me that you are so happy to buy these new things, but you know why this war is or that war is? And I'm saying, well, wars are just wars are, like you can't avoid them, yes. But then he said, okay, war was here, it's not, look what's there, there's a gold mine now, yes. So these people were killed or moved out, forced to be moved out. And I start to make a research. I thought that guy is just a cuckoo, yeah, nuts. So I said, yeah, I don't know. And then I start to make a research myself. Which countries, have now gold mines, and how this place were possessed, in what way. So this is not something what I would like to talk about, because that's make me really sad, and I don't want to go there. If you want to make your own research, you can do your own research. It's there. It's a general public knowledge, and it's sad. It's really sad. So I can say that I don't want to be a part of the system which we live in. It's really sad. It's Michael Jackson was singing, heal the world, make a better place for you and for me, yes. I'd rather be on this side and do this rather than, just being a culprit of wars. So guys, I don't know if that's something what you wrote on the website, or you've seen the video number pound, if that touch your heart. If it doesn't, and you don't care about it, okay, we can't make the world a better place with people who don't care about it. So I'm after only those people who think that it's a huge problem for us. We should integrate, and if we won't integrate, we will be overpaying for things which we could have cheap, yes, and which we could make like available for everyone, yes. Now, a lot of robots, which was not put on the video, so that's what's next, yes. A lot of robots and automation is coming on to the world. So now what I mean by that, it will be a lot of job required as electronics or technicians, engineers, yes, because we will be using this automation more and more. We are, in general, humans are lazy, and if I can do something or not do something, which I don't like to do, if I can have a robot which is already on the market, which cooks for me, because these robots are already on the market, and even here in Scotland you've got robots as a waitress, I think it's Aberdeen somewhere, but don't quote me, you can check it yourself, it's a general knowledge again. There are robots which, these are not cooking, these are waitresses, yes, but there are robots which cooks as well. So these technologies will be more common and more broad because of that, because it will become cheaper, yes, from year to year. And we've got autonomous vehicles which have 12 sensors all around them, yes, so it's far more efficient than your pair of eyes, and you know yourself, it's just safer, unless it's not working the way it should be. So there should be systems to prevent damages as well. But in general, it's going into the automation, yes, and there are robots which are learning household chores. You can Google as well, or YouTube, and you will see that robot is doing the laundry, and winding clothes and putting them into the drawer. So those jobs, slowly are coming into our houses. We've got hoovers now, yes, robots hoovers. So it is coming, yes. Even the mobile, how much it saves, internet, how much saves, yes, it's just there. So we need more and more hands to fix these devices and create more fixable devices. If we won't do it, then it will go against us. It will go against us huge, so it's time to integrate. And my goal is that within each generation we will improve, yes. So the first project which we're working with is a right to repair. After that will be other projects like vertical farms, where you can grow healthier food, like no pesticides in the food, yes, so it will behave healthier for us for the whole throughout the whole year, like 365 per day. So let's do it. And how you can help now, yes, so it's really simple. What we can do is we need to run our team, because we're running the team of now 11 people. It was 15 or over 15 people even at one point, and now it's 11, and we need even few people more. But to sustain, like each person's wage, even the minimum wage, that will be over 15,000 pounds, yes, which you would say it's huge, just to cover the basic expenses, that's huge. And I will tell you like this: if we've got 1 million people using services which using on a daily basis, like phones, electricity, yes, gas, internet, you name it, yes, everything, going on holidays, then we can take these services like Inte.Team, yes, register them on the website Inte.Team, and you can go to the main menu, there is a shop, and when you click, now we are adding, and in the next week you will see that it's a products, services, and will be affiliate links. So when you use either of these three, yes, you can give us the commission from each sale. So if you love Virgin and you love their broadband, go for it, yes, and get that broadband, but you will give us a small commission when you do that purchase. When you will get a mobile later through us, yes, for companies, we've got a whole contract with Blizzard Telecom, and we can offer services through them. Great company, employee owned, British company, and they are offering gas, electricity, phones. I'm using landline phone for Inte.Team as well, VoIP one, so it cost me like £10 per month for business and unlimited calls, excuse me. And so if you're using these products and services, you give us those commissions. When we get these commissions, yes, we can drive Inte.Team, and we can create a better world with those funds. Now imagine yourself, we've got 1 million people, which gives us only £1 per person, and we can agree that it will be more than that, yes, but if we've got a £1 per person, then 1 million people is £1 million at least, yes, which will be more than £1 million to create sustainable electronics, and in future robotics and automation for our houses, yes. And then again, we don't need profits because we've got these funds to produce it. So what we can do, we don't have to go to Caris PCOM and say sell our products. No, instead we can buy in parts, produced partially in the China, let's say, for now, and then make enclosures, let's say in the UK, and get all the repair shops which have contracts with us at bookrepair.online.co.uk. These shops can assemble these devices and sell through their shops and offer the support at their premises or anywhere in the UK through the Book Repair Online or through the Inte.Team. Yes, because that's the same thing. So then customer, if anything goes wrong, will be able to go there or have a support in the whole UK, which is great, yes? And then we will be trying to find, like a better design solutions, like how quicker replace the HDMI port. We can make a module of HDMI port, yes, with a connector, and then you can connect it. So in that case, when customer comes to you and you want to fix it quickly, you just replace that, and then at your own time, you just take that connector, take a new HDMI port, desolder the old one, solder new one, and putting this on the shelf. Yes, then when the new customer is coming, you take that from the shelf, you've got it soldered, and you replace this port quickly. Then customer is happy, and you can't avoid damaging HDMI port, but you can make this process much quicker to replace. Yes, and having those fixable devices make this world more sustainable. And then again, you don't have to, as a customer, go off your ways. You just take electricity bill through us, gas bill through us, yes, everything through us. And on top of that will be Inte.Team, where customers who want to save in their e-wallets, they can do, and they can refer friends. It's just one tier, yes, it's nothing to brag about, but it's a good referral system, and customers can have even savings for free and can help us at the same time. Guys, it is about 10 minutes, it's 11:56 I see, so it is about 10 minutes talking and introduction and out. So I would like to thank you, because that's everything. If you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, if you can subscribe to our Facebook page, if you can observe the Inte.Team when these products are add up, services add up, and affiliate links add up, if you can use these services, yes, if you can use these products, if you can subscribe to our mailing list when we will enable it, because it's not enabled yet, yes, if you can do it, if you can follow us, you will see that we will slowly but gradually, we will make these changes, and we will try to make this world a better place. So hopefully you can be a part of it, and hopefully we can make it with you. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.